Hello everyone. So today is a special day. Actually, really very special day. And this is the Indus River in Ladakh, and I've come here to join my friends' journey of 365 days ice bath challenge. I can't believe that I'm saying this because it's very very difficult to really take an ice bath in this cold water. Can you see it? Icy cold water it is. So I've come all the way to Leh to join my friends last day of ice bath challenge, which is 365th days of everyday ice bath challenge. So there's some little bit of function happening, group photos and things. Soon he'll be taking his last ice bath challenge, 365th ice bath challenge. His family's friends and some bunch of media people's organizations and everyone have joined together now. We're just taking some group photos and things. I'll also join them. Okay, wait for the ice bath. Okay, once again I'm repeating what's happening right here is that a very close friend of mine who have been taking ice bath since the last whole year, which is so today is the last day of his ice bath challenge, which is 365th. Continuously each and every day he have been taking ice bath in this icy cold water. And really proud of him. And now there you go, he's taking off his clothes and everything. You'll see him live taking ice bath challenge. So if you think someone should watch this, please share the live video. And so people are congratulating him. See, so this is how he have been taking ice bath challenge. So this is the live demonstration of how it's been done. Oh shit! His father is asking if he can join. Katas ka portan. Site katas po. Let's see who else is joining him. I have no guts, to be frank. I have no. I'm already feeling cold, freezing in fact, because this is the water that he's going to get into, and he'll spend couple of minutes or so, I don't know, 5 minutes or something in the water, deep in the water, icy cold. I think it really needs a guts. I have no words to express this, how challenging this could be. And then he have been doing this for the past whole year, each and every day. This is going to be crazy. I mean, it has been crazy so far. This is crazy because we're watching it live. Oh shit. Please share this with your friends and they must see it too. Okay. This is a thing now. So we have been taking ice bath like in so many different what do you say, locations and in like very beautiful scenic locations. What I'm doing here right now is aiding, commenting his Instagram ID. Okay, there's a bunch of people who is joining in. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Because I'm not sure whether that's the like very right account of his or not, but you can search it like NCPA. So there's like four other guys joining in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow. Okay, I'm going to do like this. Oh shit. Shit. Okay, some of them are doing really nice. They have great control, but you can see on the from the left second my friend Namgyal is there, and the rest of them is his some fans and friends who is joining in for the last day only. Crazy it is. Everyone is doing really well. Wow, this is crazy. Shit, I cannot touch the water with my hands. I have no idea how they're feeling it right now. So everyone is appreciating, clapping, and taking photos, obviously, videos and everything. Location Agling le Agling. Okay, thank you Ladakh HD for mentioning his ride ID. People, please follow him. Okay, he have given up, and two of them, the rest of them going very strong. Holy shit. Guys, share it with your friends so that they can also experience and see this live. Everyone is like really calm. I don't know, this has already been like 3 minutes or so, 4 minutes, I don't know. Amazing, amazing. Okay, wow. Wow. It's kind of a meditation, I think, that it's just like very calm. Like I cannot imagine myself in the water at all. And the right side friend is also like he's really calm.
Shabash, shabash, shabash! Shabash, shabash!
It's been already 5 minutes. Still going strong. I don't know what's his routine duration for this, but I think it's around 5 minutes only. So I think it will come out very soon.
Shabash, shabash, shabash! Shabash, shabash, shabash!
Shit, they're like not taking.
Shabash, 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 shabash! Shabash, shabash! Shabash, shabash!
Already 6 minutes. More than 6 minutes actually. Jama nahi bhai. That's the resilience. It's complete ice.
Shabash, shabash, shabash! Shabash, shabash! Good, good, good! Shabash, shabash! Good, 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 good!
Okay. Oh, they'll be there 10 minutes. Oh shit.
Shabash, shabash!
Oh! Wow. Shit. Woo! Amazing. This This is incredible. Wow. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my. बहुत बढ़िया. Oh भाई. Tagot lang kuno. He have done so well. I'm not sure like how long he has been doing this, but he have joined him and done it so well. Okay, helping him wear clothes. Okay, not going to show you. Kaichita. Minga ya.
Huh?
Minga क्या था जी स्टार हो गया चीज़ है. Say something in English or Hindi. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling so grateful to come this at this level. So I just wanted to give a message to the especially for youth. So if you are in very some addiction, so you must come out from this that addiction. So first of all, it's all about in your mind, how you think about and what you are thinking and why you are started that phase. Okay, I have also gone through some that addiction, so I just came out from that addiction through ice bath.
Okay. Let him change his clothes.
जुड़े नमस्ते. तो आज हमारा लास्ट डे है. 365 days आज पर चलेगा. पे आप लोग सबको यहाँ पे आएंगे. इसलिए कहूँगा हम आप सब हेल्दी रहिए, अपनी हेल्थ के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए. थैंक यू. इससे सबके साथ आपने स्टार्ट किया और ये फरवरी 10 2024 में स्टार्ट होगा. तो आज है हमारा 8 तारीख फरवरी का. 365 days
Okay, here I am. I've come all the way from Ule to Leh to join his ice bath challenge of the last day of his Ice Bar challenge, and I am really, I mean, shocked or inspired to see what he have been doing. And I've joined him a couple of times earlier also, but that was in summer. Even in summer, it was freaking cold, so I couldn't join him either. Shameful to say that, but yeah, it was really cold even in summer. So winter, I mean, this water you can see already, and ice all over. Block of snows coming together and crashing onto him. I was completely amazed to see this, and then I'm like, what things comes in my mind was that you know you really need to come out of that comfort zone and do something if you really want to do it. And people, or we often think of life as a very challenging sometimes. We have to go through a lot of things, but when I see his ice bath journey, it feels nothing. The problems that we face is nothing. Like, I mean, I have no guts to do like this ice bath challenge. Even I'm not sure whether I'll be doing it in my whole life or not. But this is something that people should get, that every challenging negative things that come, that you have to cross in your life, it's just a little bit of it, and then you'll get over it. And to come across and to face such challenges, you have to do some physical challenging things. You have to dare to do something and come out of your bed, and then just do it. So, and now we are going to see what's going on next. There'll be some celebration, a little bit of celebration, like friends and families have got some cakes and stuff. So let's see. And also put him, like, congratulate him with a khatak. Khatak is like a white scarf that, so everyone will as tea service here. So his friends and families, everyone have got some refreshments, some cakes to cut. And that little monk is waiting with his khatak to congratulate him. Likewise, everyone. And that's his father, and the lady at the back with the maroon jacket is his mother. Okay, let me congratulate him and then I'll end the live. I'll probably share the video on my feed as well, so that later on people can also watch it and get inspired by his amazing journey. So proud moment. Look how proud his father looks. And these are some cakes. Everyone is waiting. Okay, all of them are the co-participants. Okay. 고마워. 갔다 왔어. 전달. But one Katakan should have got more. Didn't know whether one more participant. Kata suppose कर सकते हैं. 정답선 체스 비즈들이 phone. Five, 6 altogether. Project together, nas really appreciate it. Incredible moment. So thank you so much everyone for joining in, and I'll share the whole live video on my feed as well, so you can check them later as well and then share it with your friends. and let them get inspired by this amazing journey of whole 1 year of. Thank you so much for joining in.